Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot, and this is the first snowstorm of the year. It is November 27th, 8:30 p.m. It started snowing at 3 p.m. and let's get a part that I haven't stepped in yet. Here, I'll put my thumb right on top. It's obviously still snowing as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but we're at 13 inches, right where my thumb is, you can see. So 13 inches of snow in the past 5.5 hours. And it's still coming. They say it's not supposed to stop until tomorrow night. So tonight's gonna be part one of this video, and I'm sure tomorrow we'll do another part. I don't know. We gotta get the Kubota out. We gotta move the truck out of the shop. Not what I wanna be doing at 8:30 at night. So the snowblower still isn't working. I'm still waiting on hydraulic fittings, but I'd be remiss if I did not at least try it once. It's stuck in the straight back position. I can't rotate it because I don't have the fittings. So what I'm thinking is we'll pull my truck out. Pull the tractor out. Pull the truck back in. And then try the snowblower quick. And by the way, I'm pulling the old GoPro 4 out of retirement. We're gonna put that on top of the tractor. You guys are watching my DJI camera, and it's way too expensive to be out here in the snow. So we're gonna have very limited non-tractor footage. DJI is gonna sit in the shop and watch from afar. I'm not risking a $700 camera. I think it was like 700 bucks. So, sorry, deal with it, I guess. I don't know. I don't wanna ruin my camera. Just to give you an idea of what the truck looks like. We're dragging axle. We're dragging axle here. So yeah, it's snowing. It's snowing. I had to put it in four-wheel drive to even just get out of where I was. I mean, this is really wet and heavy snow. It's really wet and really heavy. I forgot my gloves. Those are going to be very important to this mission. All right, I think we just got to spin this old girl around and just try the snowblower first. I think we have to. It's pointed straight back, so I can do a clear shot right into the lawn. I think that's the plan. I forgot my hearing protection. What a hot mess. Nothing's going right. All right, hearing protection's in place. We'll get the tractor spun around. Let's try out this new snowblower. Again, don't forget, I don't have the hydraulic quick couplers, so I can't turn it and I can't angle it up and down. I don't know. Thanksgiving, snow, USPS has got all sorts of excuses. Here. I don't know if you guys can see that. See what happens. working. Oh man, hold on. Did I lose my mic? Oh no, I still got it. All right, snowblower works great. I don't know if you saw any of that or none of it at all, but wow. This thing is going to be an absolute game changer. What is this going on? What do I got? A little snow mustache? All right, I can dig that. Anywho, this snowblower is going to be an absolute game changer. There's no doubt about that. I cannot wait for those couplers to come in so I can just do the whole driveway. Now, you guys can probably hear some of the gravel going off. That is because the driveway's not frozen yet. We're gonna use the snow pusher for the rest of it. I'm at a loss for words. I mean, truly unbelievable. So, wow. All right, snow pusher it is. If you guys are wondering, the lights I have on there from Auxbeam, they work fantastic. They're super bright, and that's how I do all my plowing at night. So let's get to it. Let's plow the rest of the driveway. All right, let's push some snow. Camera's set up. We're gonna use the Homestead implement snow pusher. It's still snowing like crazy out here. We're gonna have to do this again tomorrow night. I guarantee it. Let's see what we can get done here. Little medium gear, 4-wheel drive. Just get after it. This is a crazy amount of snow for one storm. Well, I shouldn't say that. I got 5 foot last year. Conditions are absolutely horrible out here. Absolutely horrible. I don't know if you could tell how excited I am about this snowblower, but boy, that thing is going to make all the difference this winter. That snowblower is 10 times the snowblower my old one was. And for as much as I fought with that old snowblower, this thing This thing is where it's at. Holy cow. I'm done already. I mean, I got like a little cleaning up to do, but I'm done. But I think this is good enough so my wife can get out. I've got to work tomorrow. So I don't know. It's supposed to keep snowing. We're supposed to get another 10 inches of snow at least. It's supposed to snow until 8 p.m. tomorrow night. I got to work until 7 p.m. so it sounds like it's perfect. Hopefully it's not as snowy tomorrow night so I can put the camera in different spots. That's it. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Part 1 of the storm, part 2 is coming. I don't know, I'm gonna record it tomorrow. Who knows when this is gonna post? But it'll post shortly after if we get any more snow. If we don't get any more snow, then I guess there's not gonna be a part 2. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Little bonus after action report for you now that the excitement has worn off. I was like a child. I apologize. I just got overly excited about that snowblower. I usually don't let my emotions out, but apparently I did there. We need to get the tire chains on this machine. I'm not doing it tonight because it's almost bedtime, and I'm gonna have to edit this video at some point. So I was amazed, even with the snowblower on the back there, it still lost traction. I mean, it's no doubt when the snowblower is down, there's no extra weight on it. So we need the chains for when the snowblower is down, which that is going to be my main snow removal tool after tonight's performance. I think that's going to be the move. I don't need this snow pusher anymore. From what I just saw in the quick little 5 minutes that I used it, the snow pusher is going to be almost useless. I mean, I'll save it because it doesn't owe me anything. It's bought and paid for, but I don't see myself using it very often. The snow blower is going to be the move. We need to put chains on, and I need to get those quick couplers. I could source them locally, but the problem with buying them locally is they're about 4 times the cost over buying them at a hydraulic wholesaler online. So I needed 4 fittings, and I paid $6 a piece. I went to the local store, and they wanted almost $20 a piece. It was such a huge savings that it's worth the wait. You know, I'm not made of gold, so I got to save money where I can. The truck's back in the shop. The tractor's back in the shop. We're ready for it to keep snowing. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. We're gonna come back home. If we continue to get snow and we have to do it again, I'll see you guys tomorrow.